Alright, back again, and in this video when I noticed I noticed something that might have been causing our problems. So if you go to agent movement script, you would see that it compares the distance from playerTransform.position, which was basically the player which has a tag named player. But now if we go on to runner which is our player, and then Stickman for Mixamo, and now you see the pivot totally at the point which is totally not in the world space or nowhere near the canvas at all. Hence the following agent movement script was were being problematic. So we will remove the player script from here, and if we go to armature, double click here, it's somewhere here, and here we can put the player script in the armature. And now if we play, to see that if it remains here or it moves, we can see again the armature moves with the player, which is great. Yeah, so this was one thing that I noticed might have been the problem of few of the things that we will shift, which will solve by setting the tag to this player. And this was part of the problem. Another problem was with our big croc enemy. So it had two prefabs, Stickman for Mixamo as well. We will disable that simply. And here if we see, now we have put the enemy attack, and inside attack is it will look for attack distance 7. So if it is in the radius of 7, it should attack. So if I play it right now here, even though game is not yet started, but it will show some signs. So it doesn't move yet, but if I increase the attack distance to this, and here it does show the attack. Here if I double click this is where it is being here. Again, if you notice some changes, then I simply made a coroutine here, but again we will discuss this in a next video.